If they don't pass this, do you think that it's, kumbaga the people will, hindi naman up in arms, no? Pero magkakaroon ng civil unrest, magkakaroon ng mga strike or mga pagmamarcha laban po dito. Hindi ho ba dapat, dahil nga the president also is suffering from very low trust and approval ratings. Maybe with this bill, if it's with the passage, it might help bring it up. Don't you think also it is a good political move for the president to really make this into law?
Right, yes. Actually, as with anything else, sa politika naman natin talaga, ang titignan natin dito is the motivation behind every legislation or every policy that we have. And I think if the president really is very sincere and genuinely advocating for an anti-dynasty bill, I think he has all the resources and the mechanisms to really make it possible in his time. And I think this will be a good legacy on his part if in case it will really be filed within his term, dahil he himself comes from a very powerful political clan, and I think magandang narrative ito, at saka magandang legacy building measure para sa kanya. Pero kasi alam niyo kasi on the ground kasi marami pa rin sa ating mga kababayan ang sabihin na natin umaasa dun sa patronage politics na umiiral, lalong-lalo na sa mga probinsya, especially during elections. And they might feel that yung political entrenchment, especially those people na wala naman talagang kakayahan to launch a massive political campaign, baka mawawalan sila later on ng mga, siyempre may mga business interests sila dyan. So on the question as to whether magkakaroon ba ng talang malawakang public outcry, I think for people in Metro Manila, definitely we totally agree with that. Pero sa mga far-flung areas, sa mga provinces, especially dun sa mga nasa laylayan talaga, I think many of them will still cuddle to the idea of having a political plan that will be supportive of them,